Think your daily shower is safe? Think again. Your showerhead could be harboring hidden dangers, bacteria and other microbes you can't see but could be inhaling every day. Get ready to rethink your shower routine and learn how to protect yourself from these unseen threats. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the germs that could be living in your showerhead. Research shows that bacteria like Mycobacterium avium, Legionella, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa can thrive in showerheads. They form a slimy buildup, biofilms that cling to the inside of your showerhead, and every time you turn on the water, they can be released into the air. But why should you care? These bacteria pose serious health risks. For instance, Mycobacterium avium is known to cause lung infections, especially in people with weakened immune systems. Legionella causes Legionnaire's disease, a severe type of pneumonia, while Pseudomonas aeruginosa can cause skin rashes and infections. When you turn on your shower, these microbes are aerosolized, meaning they're dispersed into the air in tiny water droplets. Breathing in these droplets gives them direct access to your lungs. As a result, they could lead to respiratory infections, rashes, and other skin irritations or other health issues. This is an even bigger threat for those with compromised immune systems, like the elderly, young children, or people with chronic illnesses. But how do these bacteria get there? It's simple. They originate from the water supply, and your showerhead is the perfect environment for them. A warm, moist space is cozy for bacteria. It allows them to grow and multiply. If you've ever noticed a pink or orange residue in your bathroom, that's a clear sign of biofilm buildup. So what can you do to protect yourself? Don't worry, there are steps you can take to prevent the growth of bacteria in your showerhead. 1. Regular cleaning. Clean your showerhead with vinegar, a disinfectant, or a commercial cleaner to break down biofilms. It also helps to keep bacteria and other microbes in check. 2. Hot water. Run hot water through your showerhead for a few minutes to kill off bacteria. 3. Use metal showerheads. Bacteria tend to grow less on metal surfaces, so consider switching to a metal showerhead. 4. Replace your showerhead. If your showerhead is old or shows signs of excessive mineral buildup, it's best to replace it. Mineral deposits provide an ideal environment for the growth of microorganisms. Although it's impossible to eliminate every microbe from your home, you can take these steps to ensure your showerhead isn't a hidden haven for bacteria. But your showerhead isn't the only place where germs hide. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll reveal the surprising places in your kitchen where germs love to hang out, and share tips for keeping your food safe. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on microbes and us. Remember to clean your showerhead regularly, flush with hot water, and use metal showerheads to keep your showers safe. Thanks for watching.